Yeah, in this video now I'm going to introduce about the diode. What is a diode? Yes, simply like as our capacitor, resistance, a diode is a two-terminal electronic component that conduct the current mainly in only one direction. For supplying the current of a given circuit in a specific direction, means in a certain direction, just like as a left to right, and we should use the diode. It has a low resistance in one direction. Diode just look like as this shape, like one cylindrical shape. On other side there consists of the like terminal. These are generally made by good conductor of the heat and electricity. Generally diode consists of two polar these are anode and cathode. Diode has a different color, okay, maybe purple, red color or black color. The diode consists of the one color band, just like as a white color band and black color band on end, and it represents the cathode terminal, means the negative terminal. Diode consists of the pole. Similarly, diode has a high resistance in one terminal and a low resistance in another terminal. Current passes through a diode can only go in a one direction. If the current we are able to passes in only one direction, then we say that such direction is known as the forward direction. And in forward direction, current trying to flow in only one unidirectional, and if current trying to flow in back direction, where we send in opposite direction of our wishes, of our desires, and this is known as the reverse direction. Okay, and they are, means the diode are like the one-way valve of the electronic circuit. Okay, and mainly this black color single-headed arrow blockaged by one straight line, this is known as the diode. This is help to blow this bulb. Okay, and next thing is that the next idea, these old diode has a voltage drop in a certain like a certain metal or non-metal, like a conductor. If the voltage across a diode is negative, means there is no current can follow. Okay, and the voltage drop of the silicon, this non-metal, means metalloid. Silicon is generally belongs to the metalloid, and its voltage drop is 0.7 volt. Similarly, germanium diode has a voltage drop is 0.25 to 0.3 volt. And why we use the diode? What is a diode used for? A diode is a semiconductor device that mainly acts as only one switch for current. It allows current to flow easily in only one, means a unidirectional. The main function of diode is, it is most common function to allow the current to passes the current in only one direction, while it blocking it in the opposite direction, means it block the current to passes in opposite direction. The diode can be used as an electronic version of the check bulb. Okay, just like as our hard bulb. Okay, just tricuspid bulb, bicuspid bulb, bulb in hand pump. Diode also work as a check valve. The unidirectional behavior of a diode is called the rectification. It is known as the rectification. And diode is also used, this rectification form of the diode is used to convert the AC to DC. These forms of rectifier diode can be used for extracting the modulation from a radio signal into the radio receiver. Okay, if we receive the radio signal from the FM station or the radio station, and there is the connection between extracting, or there is a connection, or the connection means there is a rectifier, or there consists of the extracting modulation with the help of our like this diode. Diode is also used for temperature sensor. Temperature sensor means just like as a thermal gun during COVID pandemic. Okay, we were in very different places, such as like our bank sector, our school sector. There is one kind of the like thermal gun. This help to measure the temperature of the human body. There is also consist of a diode. It is used as a voltage reference. Okay, it regulates the voltage, means it protects the circuit from high voltage. Okay, diode also protect the circuit means it resists, or it protect the circuit from high voltage. To electronic tune radio, television receiver to generate the radio frequency, these different kinds of the diode are used as a extracting modulation form. Radio frequency oscillation is also helped by the using of diode, such as like tunal diodes, GON diodes, IMPATT diodes, etc. How does it work? Diodes are manufactured using semiconductor material like silicon, germanium, and gallium arsenide, etc. And these metalloid behaves as a like a rectifier by the combination of different circuit to the certain criteria, to the follow of certain criteria, and it behaves as to extracting the modulation. Generally, diodes consist of two terminal. This is known as, they are known as the anode and cathode. And this anode and cathode based upon the potential difference between the two terminal of the given source, or the given source means like a battery or the electric source. Okay, diode can be classified in this way into two types. If the anode has a higher potential than cathode, then such kind of the diode is said to be forward bias, and it allows the current to flow. Okay, forward bias. And similarly, if the cathode has a higher potential than the anode, then we say that such kind of diode is said to be reverse bias diode, and it does not allow current flow through the given circuit. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video about the concept of diode.